Hello, Chef here. A real quick knife sharpening video for you. People ask me all the time, how do you sharpen this cleaver? And I'm going to show you how to sharpen the cleaver. This one is a classic collectible, no longer made, so I do take care of my stuff. That's one of the reasons I use a knife guard. You can check these out at your sponsor. They got them in stock right there. But anyway, this is an old beater. This is a German knife. It's got a wooden handle. This thing's freaking old. It's very, very old. It's seen better days. I'm going to show you real quickly how to get it sharp. This is a Japanese knife here, and the Japanese knife is good quality. I do like it. It's a Santoku, and this is the guide. The guide is what you need. This is the guide for knife sharpening. You can get these at the sponsor. This will save you time, trouble, and get you the perfect angle on both sides of the blade. That's what you're looking for. And this works, it comes as a 2-pack. It's like 10 bucks, and it works on large and small knives, as you can see. Just gives you the nice guide, basically, when you put this on the stone. I'm going to show you. This is a diamond whetstone, and we call it whetstone because it's meant to be used with water. Just like that. A little bit of water is all you need. Okay? Now, you don't know the angle. Most people, 99.9% of people will screw this up. So you're not sharpening. That's where you use the guide. The guide gives you the right angle. It's approximately 15 degrees. It doesn't really matter. It's giving you the right angle on both sides of the knife. You simply go like this. And flip it over and repeat. And I'm getting the correct angle on the edge of the knife. The same angle on both sides. Just like that. And then we wipe it off with a rag, and we check it on a piece of paper. Okay? It can cut paper. It's not very sharp, but it's sharper. That's what counts. It got sharper. Now, the Japanese knife. I'll give you a before and after. Here we go. Okay. It's fairly sharp. Let's get it sharper very, very quickly, like this. We just wipe it off good, get it nice and clean, check it on the same piece of paper. Yes, it is sharper. Can it get sharper? Oh sure, takes a little more time. And there's a few other steps as well. Watch the other videos, check out the leather strap we're using, check out some of the different tools, all kinds of cool stuff, good stuff to learn here. This is your lesson right here. The knife clip. Get the knife clip at the sponsor, you get the right angle. You see it. It's right there. That's the angle. I've done nothing except sharpen the very edge of this knife. Now, the cleaver is quite a bit trickier because the cleaver is a little bit thicker. I don't know if I can get this guide on here. Yeah, the guide just barely fits on the back of this cleaver. So it's not the ideal angle. You got to go a little bit more with that. So you can use your judgment and your own feel for it. I'm just going to hit the bottom edge. Once again. I'll wipe it off. And I'm just going to check this with my finger here. Okay? It's good. I sharpened the very bottom edge. I scratched it a little bit here too because I didn't have the exact angle, but it doesn't matter. The guide clip has helped me get the ideal angle on the most expensive knife. And that's the one you should be using, is some good quality Japanese knives in your cooking. This is what you need right here. So get the good stuff, visit the sponsor. Oh yeah, get cooking and have a great day. Really, really nice. A few things about this. This is harvested from sustainably renewable forestry. This is the best quality block you can buy if you want to have a walnut. An end grain is maybe easier on the knife. Makes an interesting sound when the knife's cutting and chopping and rocking back and forth. A lot of chefs prefer it. It's really cool. It's also aesthetically pleasing. Visually, wow, really, really nice. So if you're looking to upgrade and move up to something like this, super high quality, I recommend you check out the sponsor right there. They got these babies in stock. They get them to you quick. Sometimes they're made to order. There's all different sizes. Anyway, a few things I want to move on here and give you a couple of tips. So people have often asked me, Chef, what about feet on a cutting board? Well, it makes sense. If your cutting board's going to slide or wiggle around on your surface, especially if you have granite or marble or stone or all these different synthetics, and sometimes the cutting board wiggles and slides while you're using it. You've seen it. It gets dangerous. That's where I recommend checking out the sponsor. They got this exclusive on these custom rubber feet. These are about 2 inches diameter and they're about 3/4 of an inch thick. They're going to do a few things for you. They're going to give you clearance. I'll put a few under here right now for you. They're going to give you clearance. They're going to make it non-slip, and they're also going to let the humidity, the moisture, and the air flow around your cutting board. There you go. Nice air gap there. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. So you can caulk these on one side. You can just set them on like I did. You know, we've had people use screws or nails or attach them that way. However, whatever you want to do. But the main thing is the air gap. It's nice. I like it. This cutting board, by the way, is reversible. You can easily pick it up, flip it over, use the other side. And wow, really nice. Should last you easily a lifetime if you take care of it. Keep it out of the sink, oil it regularly, and it's going to be good. A couple more tips for you here. Let's see, what do I got? I got the board cream, and I got the mystery oil. 2 products you should have in your kitchen with the best block. Yeah. I'll be back with more. Subscribe right here. Check out more on this channel. Learn all kinds of expert cooking tips and tricks from certified chefs. We've got all kinds of chefs visiting, coming and going on this channel.